Yeah, fixing coconut for us.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
What's up guys, I'm right here in Jamaica. Actually it's shining the other side as you see the sun, and I'm right here in a very beautiful villa, and I was invited by a friend. There's big dogs I see. Hey, please introduce yourself.
Hey,
Yeah, yes,
Steve
big dogs.
here. Hey, Sansom, come
No,
here.
it's trying to know me, you know. Yeah, Samson. Yeah, look.
Sansom.
Yeah. So this is Steve. Hey Steve, at least introduce yourself. It has been a dream for Steve to meet me. Actually, he has been telling me he can't believe I'm here with him.
Get up.
And yeah. Hey Samson. Yeah, it's a big dog.
Yeah. Big. Hey, quiet. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Behave yourself.
Yeah, greet some friends here, man. At
Yeah.
least greet some friends here.
That's Gary. That's
Yeah.
people. This is my builder here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's building. Was doing my house. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. And Gary's gonna have a nice coconut there for you.
Okay. Okay. Let's go.
Come on, let's go. Yeah. All right.
Okay. Wow. Hello. I don't know if you wanna be on my camera, but you can
camera
just
shy?
you can
You
just say
camera
you can just
The
say
camera
hello.
shy, Gary.
Yeah.
Look.
Oh, Gary, man, thank you so much. Wow, man.
Yeah.
You can say hello here to my camera at least.
Hello.
Yeah.
Big up Jamaica.
Big up Jamaica.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Look, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Man, thank you so much. Thank you so much,
no
man.
problem, man.
Wow,
Feel
wow.
at home. Feel
Yeah.
at home, you know? Although I am a bit camera shy.
Yeah, he's camera shy, but at least, yeah.
But you do your thing. Feel at home, man.
No, just feel comfortable. Don't think
you-
about the camera. Yeah.
You vlog, you know, take your pictures.
Yeah.
Feel at home.
So at
man.
least tell people, man, where you from, like how you moved from the UK to Jamaica. Tell us your story a little bit. Just even if it's 2 minutes or.
Well, you know,
Yeah.
I've been coming to Jamaica for many years now,
Mhm.
and you know, decided to build my place.
Yeah.
and
Man, congratulations, man. I swear you.
it's not finished yet.
Yeah, but I can tell. You can tell he's doing something good here, man.
it's not finished
And
yet.
right here, you see the view. You have an amazing view the other side. Wow, man.
You haven't seen nothing yet.
Oh, let's keep walking then. Yeah. Wow.
You want to get a real good shot. Yeah.
Jamaica. It's a blessing always, like when I go to places and I meet my subscribers and they are so nice to me. I feel super humble, bro. I was telling him in the car, I wanna build a big house in Africa and invite you all guys for a big party. Oh man, this is wow. Look here, this space. Yeah. Wow. Yay.
Okay,
Wow.
Check this view out, Mara.
I wish I came with my drone, man. Oh,
yeah.
damn.
Yeah.
Wow, look, that's the ocean right there. I think you guys can see it. That's the ocean. That's like a small town.
No, that's other houses. Yeah.
Oh, those are big houses for.
Yeah, those are other houses over there. You got houses more on the seafront.
Yeah.
Over there. You know the mountains over there. Is
Yeah,
a
I see.
place called Rockabessa
Oh,
on the
Rockabessa.
north coast.
Yeah.
You know.
Man, I really love this. Like, you see the ocean right there and the jungle right here. Fresh air coming, man. And
Fresh,
you're like.
fresh breeze. No,
Yeah,
no need for AC.
Exactly, and you feel like a king here, you know?
Beautifully.
No, I think you're a good selector. That's what I was saying.
What?
Yeah.
Not music select.
Yeah, I know what you mean, man. Like, look, this is really impressive, man. And also, I think all you need to do is now plant some coconuts, like those.
Oh well,
More.
that's not my land.
Yeah, but this is really impressive, man.
It's nice. It's nice.
Wow.
Every morning you get up and
Yeah, you feel like you are living, you know? Yeah, like you're so impressed.
yeah,
You want-
you have a nice feeling every morning.
Man,
No matter how.
I need something like this in Africa too, man. I swear.
No matter how depressed you feel.
No, you wake up. No, you can't feel depressed here. You see, like nature gives you that energy and that, lively. Like you feel like, wow, man, I just wanna live. I wanna see tomorrow again.
So next time you
Yeah.
come to Jamaica,
I'll come back.
this
now.
is where you'll be staying.
Yeah.
Ma.
Thank you,
This
man.
is home for you.
Thank you, man. I see. He's really, really, man. I'm so impressed, man. I'm so impressed,
This is home. You know?
man. I'm so impressed. Maybe even I'll steal your design, man.
No problem, man.
Yeah, actually, I wanna build a house too in my home. I was telling him, at least when you come, you know, I don't wanna be just this big Maro on the internet, and I can't have people even visit me in my home, even celebrate. You know.
Yeah, you know what?
Yeah.
It's good, yes. If you build your place back here.
Yeah, man. At least even if I have a baby shower, people can show up. Yeah. Oh man, I love this. Like it's so like lively, you know. You see.
Look, see my coconut tree.
Oh, these are the. Oh wow, man. Oh, that's where we got this from,
Yeah,
right?
no.
Yeah.
Look, this is called homegrown.
Homegrown, man.
Homegrown.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
we're gonna cut you some sugar cane now.
Oh man.
Yeah?
Yeah. No, actually, I'm impressed, man. Your house is really big, you know. Yeah.
think so?
Yeah. Look at that, man. Yeah.
Oh.
No, I'm really impressed. I'm impressed to meet you as a person, and you being so kind and just saying, man, I want to meet Marwa, and now here we are drinking some coconut, you know.
It's unbelievable, man.
Oh, you can't believe like you're meeting me too.
And as I said to you,
Yeah.
what you're doing, it's
Yeah.
a pleasure. You
Thank you,
you know,
man.
you
Thank you.
inspire people like me to
Yeah.
go traveling. you
Yeah,
know?
man.
You're doing a great,
Thank you.
fantastic job.
No, and also me, I really appreciate, you know, I really have good followers with me. I know a lot of followers. You saw one guy, his name is Chris, bought me a drone.
Oh,
Yeah,
I don't think I saw that one.
He bought me a drone of over $1,000 and sent it to me within a week, man.
Oh, wow.
So you can imagine, like
Yeah.
he took his you know, it
His
was
hard-earned
yeah.
cash.
Imagine, man, and that's how I say thank you, whatever.
his
And it's
hard-earned
really
cash.
good having coconuts here.
Yes.
Yeah, in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah, you enjoy, man. You enjoy. You
Mm.
know?
Oh,
Yes, Mom.
people may think we are faking it. Look, that's coconut.
No, this is natural,
Yeah,
genuine,
you know, so
authentic.
you know, some people just have to be negative, you know.
And
Yeah, so sometimes, you know, one thing is I really don't like to be even negative at all, because I feel it really kills my vibe, kills my energy. So most of the time I'm always like, all the time I have to be positive.
that's what you want.
I feel
Mara.
like I'm
you
in
want positive people around.
Yeah, exactly. I feel like I'm in a mission, not just about my life, but I know there's some guy watching me somewhere and he says like, man, if this guy can do it, why should I not do it, you know?
That's
Yeah.
right.
And I've met a lot of people or emails or a lot of messages saying, hey, and that's why I always say, man, subscribe to my channel. You know, sometimes, maybe I'm telling you this, but you know, I'm speaking to my audience too. Sometimes it's crazy because you find like somebody does not subscribe to my channel, does not follow me, but he wants me to give him free advice all the time.
That's a no-no, I'm afraid.
Yeah, because I feel like sometimes he would have paid maybe thousands of dollars for a travel agent to give him the same information. Even I would have given him better and better. And all I always ask is, man, just subscribe, you know, support me. That's all, you know. It's not a must like you have to donate to my channel, but you know, small things like sharing, liking a video, you know, those small things push me, you know.
It's free. You know, it's free.
Man, I'm really happy to be here.
I-
This thing is so good, man.
I tell you what, Mara, it's a pleasure to have you here because
Thank you.
following you for months.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, for a few months.
Yeah.
And, you know, to actually meet you in
Yeah.
person and bring you to my place in Jamaica.
This is a big villa, man.
It's unbelievable.
Oh yeah, actually even me, I can't believe. Let's say today I didn't have this plan, you know, and here I'm right here. We're having coconuts, man.
You're living amongst the local Jamaican
Man,
people.
yeah.
You know.
You know, sometimes I always feel like I'm thinking of this. Like maybe if one day I decide to have like different houses, one will be in Jamaica, you know.
Definitely.
Like maybe I will say, look for me land somewhere like yours.
Yes, you know, it's possible. Just keep doing what you're doing, man, and
I appreciate
you'll
it,
get
bro.
there. You know, you'll get there. It's just you
I
just gotta.
Actually, you've inspired me
persevere.
too, man. You've really inspired me, man. You've really inspired me. You're doing a great job.
Yeah, it's not finished yet.
Yeah.
But we're getting
No,
there.
actually, no. It's step by step, man. You know, life is step by step. You know?
Cretan. Oh yeah, move. All right.
Okay. Blessing.
Tomorrow.
You can check him.
Wait, tomorrow. Okay, we're gonna pour concrete for Thursday.
Okay.
All right. No problem. No problem.
Yeah, I'm in Jamaica here. Sugar cane's right here with me. You see that?
Hey, Mara, come
Yeah.
I'll show you around here.
Okay, thank you, man.
I know you're gonna probably do a lot of editing.
Yeah, but most of my videos they go raw, you know.
They go raw, yeah?
Yeah, they go raw. Sorry, let me. We're here in Jamaica. Yeah, fixing coconut for us. Yeah, and also
That's the spoon.
Yeah.
He's
the spoon.
right. That's Mara's one, yeah?
Oh yeah, thank you. Oh, this is the spoon right there.
See?
Yeah. Oh wow, man. Thank you, bro. Gary.
Use this spoon and dig it out and eat.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And also they gave me a sugar cane here. I don't know if you guys see this. Yeah. Sugar cane, you know? Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. I really appreciate. Thank you so
No
much.
problem, man. Mm.
So this is the natural spoon.
Mm.
Yeah. Oh, it's not recording. Hey, thank you so much, Gary. Gary is giving me some pimento. Pimento seeds. Yeah, they are little spicy, so you can crush them and drop them. Wow, it smells really nice. Hey, thank you so much, Gary, man. I hope to see you, and maybe some guy will say. And he gave me sugar canes too. Look how he did it. He did the job for me now, you know. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'll see you sometime, bro. Yeah.
All right, yeah.
So we're leaving home and now.
Oh, you going in rivers tonight? Yeah. All right then, no problem.
Yeah, this has been so amazing. Man. I love the sounds of the crickets, you know.
Crickets.
Yeah, it gives you like a natural therapy, like you know. Yeah, you know sometimes things like that you may think is like
The
sometimes-
Caribbean sound.
yeah, you know sometimes you be in like big cities, big lights, you know, a lot of noise. You can't even, wow, look how beautiful that is, man. Yeah. Yeah, take your time. This has been so special to me, guys. Thank you for having such nice subscribers. Now we're going back to the city. I think I'll give the girl some pimento and also some sugar cane.
Oh yeah.
I think she'll be really, really happy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All right.
This just happened randomly, like, boom, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Thanks. This is really amazing, man. So this place is called
Spring Valley.
Spring Valley.
Yeah.
It's like exclusive, man.
Exclusive, man.
Wow. Even I don't know how to turn the camera. I'm jumping side to side, you know.
Oh,
But
wow.
we're doing good.
Yeah, man.
Wow. Huh? Yeah. That's really exclusive right there, man. Yeah.
Yeah, at least you get a little bit of footage.
Yeah.
You know.
Look, man. They look like those houses I see in movies of Nigeria.
Yes.
You've ever seen those Nigerian
those
movies?
Nigerian,
And they show you this type of
houses, man.
this type of houses, you know. Wow. Wow, man.
Yeah, give you a little.
This is super exclusive.
It's good. It's also good to let
Yeah.
people know that you've got nice places in
Yeah,
Jamaica.
in Jamaica.
And people are living well, you know.
Yeah, you can see, man. Actually, one thing, and one property is for sale there I've seen. So one thing I realize is, actually there's no bad place on this earth. When you have money, and you have money like good money, you'll have a very, very nice place. Even in places where people say it's unbearable, you know?
Yes, true.
Wow.
So it's nice.
Wow. Wow, man. The big houses here, man.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's a mansion.
Maybe you can include a little bit of that clip in your next vlog.
Yeah, I'll do this, man. Yeah. I want to give us very special thanks, man, for you, for showing me around. And this is really humbling, man. And this just happened like this. Super random, like, yeah. But thank you, bro. I
out
really
of the blue,
appreciate it.
out of
Yeah,
the blue.
out of the blues, actually. Wow.
You can see someone's building there.
Somebody's still building here, man. Jamaica. Ocho Rios. Wow, they're really exclusive homes here, man. $1 million mansions. And you can see down there, that's the ocean, right? Yeah, that's the view.
Oh, let's go back.
Yeah. The ocean is right down there, as you see the blue thing right there. Yeah, that's the ocean.
Some more nice houses.
Yeah. Ocho Rios. Actually, this place also sounds exclusive, you know?
Well, you know, the British and the Spanish fought over Jamaica, you know.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So Ocho Rios is a Spanish name.
Okay.
I believe the meaning of Ocho Rios is 8 rivers.
Yeah, 8 rivers. Yeah, it's in Spanish. Yeah, it's a Spanish name. Very exclusive houses here, man. And yeah. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. Okay, let's finish with this exclusive house right there. We're living really large here in Jamaica. If you're a Jamaican watching me or watching us from abroad, man, please comment and come back home, man. It's also good here, you know. I'm seeing really exclusive houses here, so don't say I left home 3 years ago. Man, you have all reasons to come back. People are living large here, super exclusive. Look at that, man. Yeah, big houses, mansions. Yeah, really, really nice, man.
That one up there.
There's one in the hill right there. Yeah, damn.
Amazing.
Everywhere. Another one is still being constructed here.
Oh, that's the one I see from my house.
Oh, this one here?
Yeah, I see that from my house.
And also the environment here is very chill, like calm trees, you see forests. Very nice. Wow.